Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. In this video, we're going to discuss about creating our own middlewares. In our previous video, we discussed about the two common, two commonly used middlewares such as Morgan and Body Parser. In this video, we're going to create our own middleware from scratch. Hmm, I hope you guys good at the body parser and the Morgans because we're going to use them in the project so that we'll get the idea about them. Morgan and PM. I hope you guys have seen the Dexter web series. I like the series. The hero name is Dexter Morgan. Hmm, it's pretty popular. Weekly downloads for 45 lakhs, and this one is 34 lakhs. 34 lakhs. One. Oh, 3 crores. My bad. 3 crores 40 lakhs. This one is very important to learn and keep that in mind. Hmm, let's create the middleware from the scratch. In order to create it, we need to know, um, you know, you need to know the structure of creating that. Essentially, what happens in all the middlewares is we use the app.use. We use the app.use. Here you can see all the middlewares. We essentially use the app.use. This one. Um, we use the method to specify a middleware to use when the request comes in inside inside there we can pass three three arguments such as one is request and result and the next method because there can be a multiple middlewares, and also because this is something that happens in middle, the next function basically determines when we should move on from the middleware and continue in the flow of the server handlers. So the middleware that we're putting inside the app.use method can in fact be created from scratch, and it's quite useful to see this just to know roughly what's actually going behind the scenes with all of these different modules that we are putting in here, like body.parser and Morgan. Let me show you the structure. Mm, here you go. App.use. We're gonna take three inputs: request, result. Guys, you should follow the order. You cannot change the order. If you do, you'll get an error. Okay, keep that in mind. And the next method and anonymous function console.log requested method request dot method. What it will do, it will give the method name, request method name, user requested method name, whether it is or get output or post or patch or delete, whatever. It will give us the method name. So let's check that out whether it is really working or not. You know what to do, right? You got create a new terminal as usually. Hmm, doing every day like this, making my speed higher than before. Hmm, we're in the middleware directory. Now we got to run this. In order to run this, we got node mon index dot index 3.js. I hope everything is installed. Here you go. Listening on port 300. Let's use Postman. Hmm, let's use Postman to check the. It taking long. You know what does it mean? It means it's a home. Let's change. Its server port is 3000, and we're going to use a method called get. And let's run this. I guess network is too slow in our area. In my area. Oh. You know, it's never gonna end because what? Here we made a mistake. Whenever you finish this, you got to use next function so that it will work. Let's run that again. Hmm. Here you go. Success. I've encountered an error. Did you see that? And it returned the requested method name get. Let's use post method now. We don't need to change because we don't want to. Here you go. See, we get the post. Here you can see even though there isn't any post, uh, what is called request, but we're getting the post name. I mean request name. Mm, and the other thing is what we're gonna use is. I hope you understand what the functions are now, and we gotta face the challenge right now. Mm, Now we wanted to get the URL. Um, so what we're gonna use is we're gonna use this. I mean, you're gonna make the middleware in the second format by using second format. There are different ways to create this. Mm, this one is good, I guess. We got to create first function and name it a function name uh, hello hello function, and we got a and we need to remove all this. We just need to enter the hello function name, and here we mention what it will need to do. Console.log. The request name is here request dot method name kada. Request method name is, and another one is request method URL, so that we will return the URL. If you are new to my channel, you may not understand the process that I'm doing because you're new to this, just like me. But I got this. I mean, I came here like one step to 10th step, but you're in the first step, so you need to come here by climbing the 10 steps. Uh, let's check out whether it does works or not. Uh, guess I need to use the next method. Let's run that. I hope this will work. Oh man, here you can see the URL. Here's the home, right? The requested method does have the URL, this one, and the method is get. Oh my bad, sorry. Uh, there, we gotta look at here, not there. Mhm. We can send submit and post. It's saying 404 because there's many location. It's saying the same thing. Ajay. Here you can see location, and the method is post, right? Huh. So I guess you guys are familiar with what I'm saying. Uh, uh, huh. Okay, guys. Mm, it's time to do a project of band name creating. Um, let's delete this stuff. I did this. I came over here. Let's just delete this stuff. First, we need to stop the server by pressing the Ctrl plus C. So I'm not clear. See, all clear. So everything was clear. Hmm. Our project is to let's run this solution.4. We shouldn't watch the solution, guys. Let's run that node more in solution 4.js. Oh, you can see where that is running. Localhost 3000. We lost the name. Hanuman pet name monkey. Here you can see it returns the band name. My band name. Your band name is Hanuman Moon. My bad. I should have given a best good name. Mm, this one is H2, I guess. Mm. Let's get back. Go back. Mm, uh, we got to use everything that we have learned from now in order to finish that project. uh, so guys, let's create that from scratch. First one is we need to access the web page, right? Localhost 3000. We need to access the web page. In order to access this, we gotta use body parser so that we can send the user request. I mean, you can send back a website to the user request, right? Hmm, let's do that by going over here. In our previous video, we discussed about the path and the URL and directory name accessing. Uh, first thing first, we got a import body parser. You go, it's successfully imported. I guess that one is already installed in my lap. Can't we see? Mm, npm I body parser. Hmm. In our previous video, I told you how to use app.use, and I told you that pretty much 100% of the time we use the same line. I told you to remember that, but I didn't even remember. So I'm just gonna search where that bastard is. It's gonna be early stage. So I found that man. Let's use that one. Here the port is 3005. Hmm. Uh, app.use body parser uh, dot URL. So because we're going to need to send the URL, right? Send file, and here you go. Uh, Northern Express extended URL uncoded extended to. Now this will do. Pretty much we use 100% of the time this line whenever we wanted to access the body parser. So this one is 100% needed to remember. And so we're done here, and we're going to send the file. We need to we need to use the entire path over here by HTML, right? By copying the path, old path. You can see this is not the forward slash. We need to convert this into the forward slash. So that in order to do that, we need to press Ctrl plus F and find that guy. Here you go. And we need to change that guy into this guy. So What we gotta do is to enter. So we're done. Remove this, and let's check out that whether it's working or not. Right? Let's run that. Node mon index4.js. Is running, and I guess it's 3005, right? Let's check it. So there's an error. It's saying there's an error. Am I Did I make any mistake? Did I made any mistake? Result dot send file. Result dot send file. Hmm. Oh, my bad. I need to use get method so that I am gonna get here. You can see it's successful. Hmm. I did local host. Why? Why is it coming out? That server's being already. Hmm. We're now running port 3005 in 5005 location, and street name is Ajay Babu, pet name is Rabbit, and when we send it, it's gonna say cannot post and or submit. Hmm. We gotta get Ajay Babu Rabbit. That's the band name, right? Hmm. We not if in order that to happen, we gotta install. No, 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 no. We don't need to install. We gotta we we gotta create a custom middleware. To do that, function band name generator. We got send result sorry, request result next, and console.log result result dot body to check out whether this one is working or not. Okay, no hard feelings, right? App.use and name generator. I guess this may gonna give us an error 3005, and that one is kept. You can see this one is hanging, not loading, not it is not going to do that because we didn't do this. Mm, this step is very important. If we forget this, nothing's gonna work. We're not being able to go to these steps, so that one's important. Mm, I guess we're still gonna get an error. I thought we do, but we didn't. Here saying it's undefined. What is undefined? This one is undefined. What does that even mean? Maybe. uh, Now that one is working. And you can see, hmm, now we got to give a submit location, submit, submit app dot get submit and result requested. Here you can see this must be in order. Result dot send. Hmm. Band name. Your band name is. I shouldn't use any words, right? Um, you can see it's saying that app crashed. Hmm. Because why? Oh my. Oh man. I made a mistake. Did you figure that out? Hmm. Teorical tortucha tuta. Hmm. Now this one is working well. Hmm. Let's check the one over here. Hmm. Let's the change the name to Ajay and the pet name to Crow. No one's gonna. Oh my gosh, this one is not working. Do you know why? Let's check that why. Submit. The band name is. Uh, this one's working over here very well, but not over there. Maybe there must be a typo over submit. It's right. Request result and hmm. Guys, I made a mistake again. Uh, here, here, it's working well. I need to use post method, not the get one, because I am posting by using the submit location. Here you can see index.html. We need to use this one in order to access this uh, keywords of street and pet. We can change them out. Mm, we didn't even finish the entire solution for not this one, index 4, this one. Mm, so we need to use this. We need to use this in order to make the okay. Mm, whenever we run into this one into the cloud or some in everywhere in the internet, there's we got to use dynamic location, right? So we're going to use three steps to solve the problem by importing directory name from path, import file URL path from URL, and roasting is constant, so that we cannot change this. Type name equal to, we got to use a function, um, type name. Hey guys, you don't need to remember this one. Okay, file URL path import dot meta dot URL. Oh, let's check whether it does work or not. Does it work or not? Hmm. By God's sake, it's working. Hmm. And the next step is we need to change the band name uh, based on the user input, right? In order to do that, we got to access the. Let's create a variable band name equal to string, or you can give it anything defaultly. Mm, and variable uh, band name is going to be uh, request dot body, and it returns the um, request dot body returns the dictionary, right? We know how to access the dictionary values, right? mm, mm, you can see the first keyword is street, so we're gonna pass that one street plus uh, we don't need this one's for gap between both of the letters, so we get Ajay Babu restaurant like that. mm, Request dot body, another one is pet. I hope this does work. Brand name, right? So that we can access that by passing that over here by band name. Let's check that out whether does it working or not. Run it again. Oh my gosh, it's not working. Looks like I've made a mistake. It's saying sheet is not defined. Hmm. Guys, this one does need to have quotes. Let's check that again. over here. Get working fine. Huh? Uh, 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 get working fine and sub, submit and the one is post. Let's check that out. Here you go. It's working fine, right? If I wanted to change the values into like let's give the street name as Delhi. I don't know any street names. Gandhi Nagar, the Nagar street, and I got a pet. Its name is cat. Nice, right? Here you go. It's working well. It does it working really, really well. Mhm. Now check that over here by changing the Yamaha sheet and pet name is Augie. Here you go. It's generated a name by using the user input, right? So now we understand it's working fine. Here you can see every time I press the submit or this send. Hmm. Let's check whether we can modify that or not into a band name and here some emoji, emoji like band name, right? Band this this is the band and we want it to be bold. Does it gonna be or not is a big question before us. I hope that this one does work. If it doesn't, I can. Oh, oh, it's working well. You can see it took the default name that I provided. Uh, no, no, no. It's all over here. This one's. So the bold one is working. So I guess H2 is the best thing. It's like a side heading. Here you go. Even though we made lots of mistake in the process, but we in the end we managed to find the accurate solution. I guess this is what's the best way to learning the programming, making mistakes and learning from them. I hope you understand this. If you don't, try to watch this video again. Uh, I hope you like this video and I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye. Mm, let me show you the overall code of this project. Importing the express. Hmm. And we made lots of typos in the process, right? Look at the whole code. Let me screenshot this. Whatever. Hmm. and we turn this one as well. Okay. um let's run this over here too. Here you go. And let me stop the server by pressing the control plus C and clear the screen. Clear. uh, okay guys, this is it, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye. I hope you are able to understanding my language. This is different kind of English. Bye.